you guys are doing amazing. So in today's video, I have something really special and really exciting for you guys because I have a very special friend of mine today with me in this video. She is the one who motivated me and pushed me to open my YouTube channel. I am really grateful to her. She's very close to my heart and one of my best friends. I just love her. So today we have the sassy Saloni. So here we have Saloni Singh. She's a really special friend of mine. I love you.
God.
I really love her. And I miss Too Lit, for the matter of fact. She's one of the Too Lit members. If you have watched my first video, that was the Get to Know Me tag, you can get a hint of Too Lit. It's them. It's really them. I miss my whole bunch. But as of now, we have Saloni with us. So today in this video, we're gonna take up a challenge, that is the Never Have I Ever Wala challenge. You guys must be familiar with that. If you don't know what it is, we'll be asking questions to each other, means a basic common question, and if we have done that thing, we'll be sipping a sip of this is what, Saloni?
I wish it is what you think, but it's not.
It is Sprite. It is our aerated drinks, our love forever, and we'll be sipping this if we have done that thing, and if we haven't, then we won't be drinking.
Just skip it.
So let's just dive right into the video.
So we have bunch of questions. So I'll read it out, and then we'll sip if we have, and we just pass if we have not.
Yeah.
So are you ready for the first question, which is my favorite? So, never have I ever fainted.
I should drink the whole glass.
She should drink the whole bottle because she can faint wherever, anywhere, whatever situation possible. She just faint, and we are just like casual. If it happens,
It's not like that. It's not like
if
that.
If it happens in front of us, we'll be like, okay, fine, ठीक हो जाएगी, guys.
It's not like that. It's just I'm weak. You cannot do that to me. Come on.
We do that. So yeah, never mind. Next question. Never have I ever shoplifted, and
I haven't.
I have.
You have? When? Oh yeah, let me tell you one thing, guys. She is the declared chore of our group.
Oh God.
She will steal everything possible.
I don't steal from you guys.
She will steal everything possible. If you guys know her, you know she can steal anything, guys. She can steal pens, hairbands, everything, guys.
And he steal pens.
No, she can do
everything. And Lokesh, that is it. That is all we do in college.
No, shut up. And Apple chargers too, yaar. I mean, Vedika, if you're watching this video, I have nothing to say. And when we asked her, ki, Salu, why do you do this? You're from such a good background. Why do you even do this? She was like, because when we study, we are unemployed, because we are not going to do something in future. So this is what going to help us. I mean, like, this was insane, dude.
Let's go to the next question.
Yeah, we should actually.
So, never have I ever danced in a lift. I'm not. She's the crazy one. It's not me.
I am the crazy one. Actually, I remember when we were in college, we had a very big lift, and you can probably do anything in the lift. That's the new lift.
You can live in it.
You can live in it.
You can live. So, if you know Amity, then you know.
So we used to, climb to the higher floors of our building, and then all that masti.
Okay, next question. Never have I ever laughed so hard that I cried.
Let's drink it together.
Daily, all day, every day, 24/7. That's what I do. What we do.
Because we have such good bunch of friends.
Exactly.
We can never imagine our life without them. We have such good memories. Too Lit, we really miss you.
I can't handle her alone if she starts crying.
We really miss you, Too Lit.
Yeah, we miss you guys.
I really wanted first video with my friends, but it could not happen due to the lockdown and COVID situation.
We have, she has a lot of challenges planned for today.
Yeah, I really have challenges planned for you guys. I hope we meet super soon. Until then, love you guys.
Okay, so next, never have I ever played a prank on my friends.
Drink the whole glass. You bitch. Drink the whole glass.
She's saying this because she's always the victim. Because you need to be dark.
You don't need to be dark. Who is dark in friendship? She and one more friend of mine, Nyang. If you're watching this video, the darkie of our group.
She's the darkie of the group. She plans all this.
Yeah.
And then she cry if उसके साथ कुछ होता है तो. But then.
If we were all there together, I am pretty sure all the challenges that I put up on my channel henceforth.
Enthusiastic one.
Yeah, she's the most enthusiastic one. And Nyang, sorry, I had to film this with Saloni only because she's the only one here.
Of course. I am the one. Not the only one.
Sassy bitch.
Okay, so next question. Never have I ever.
Oh, wait. Discuss that thing, no?
Which?
That raining and we went.
Oh, yeah. So, one of the pranks that I remember being done on her was that it was raining.
Not only me, Vedika, Utkarsh, and me.
So, what happened that we were in the
And
room.
Yang. Yang was also.
Yang was for the first time, she was not the one who had planned this. So,
She was a victim
yeah,
to it.
so there were these 4 people.
So you understand, Yang, how do we feel?
Yeah, it's just.
Yeah,
never mind.
continue.
So, these 4 people are outside the room and then we were inside.
Outside the house!
Yeah,
dude.
outside the house, and it was raining and we wanted them to thoda wait and let's just enjoy. So we just locked the door. They kept on, ringing the bell and then हम खोलने वाले थे यार. But then कौन कैब बुक करके घर चला जाता है? I mean, this was very stupid.
No, it wasn't stupid, guys.
It was very stupid and लोग रोए इसके ऊपर. So
We waited for about 20 minutes. We were all drenched because it was raining and these stupid guys did not open the door.
it was a
बावजूद
prank.
हमारे बोलने के कि
And we
we are
even called you. I mean, हमने ऊपर से देख के बुलाया भी था कैब से. But then
कैब बुक हो गई तो कैब छोड़ के आ जाए.
they were doing some
Yeah,
Indian TV show bullshit. I don't understand. Okay, next question is never have I ever tolerated a friend singing very badly. It's no question. This is what we
Come, let's just do it
every
together.
day, especially me, because we are in the same section. We tolerate Nyang singing shit. My ears start bleeding. I can't.
Actually, our group is divided into 2 sections. So we have some of our friends in one section and most of them in the other section. So they are in the larger bunch wala section. And Nyang is also in that section.
So Nyang is this one loner. She'll take a corner and then अपने में गाएगी. She does not care anything कि हमें कैसा लग रहा है और कोई और को क्या सोच रहा है. 0 F's given and she'll sing her art out. But
And if you are on Nyang's Snapchat and her streak list too, you'll experience her dance, her songs, her DIYs and everything.
तो बात तारीफ हो गई Nyang की. But let's just cut to the next question.
We love you, Daki.
So, never have I ever thought that classroom is a bedroom. I'll drink.
I love to drink, for the matter of fact.
Classroom is indeed a
If
bedroom.
any of my classmates is seeing this, they know I am a last bencher sort of a person and I don't like attending lectures at all. I do not give any F's to the lectures. I only sleep. I fall asleep late in the night. So eventually and naturally, I tend to sleep in the class. But Saloni has a different experience altogether. Saloni, please start rolling.
I am not the one who sleeps in the class. I'm the one who keeps talking and usually we sit picture. But then there was
Because
this one
I get
moment-
bored because they are not there in my
Yeah.
class. So
and I
it's
don't
like-
get and I don't sleep. So there was this just one time where I slept. Not even slept. I just put my head down and then there was this huge
drama.
drama and then I got to be told by teachers that classroom is a bedroom, so now it's become a joke.
And the
so
parent call?
that we next. Never have I ever taken a scandalous video of my friends.
Oh, every time. Actually, we both are the one who
Yeah.
take videos of our friends. And actually,
fun.
they always cry for those videos, for the matter of fact, because we take such amazing
Yeah,
videos.
a lot of wild things happen when we are all together. Not
Yeah.
extreme wild, but like crazy. So we do need those memories. So we have a lot of.
And everyone is a sucker for those memories because everyone will legit cry in the group. Please, videos bhej de, videos bhej de, and then we are the bhau khaying ones.
Exactly. Okay, so never have I ever moved in with my friends.
I haven't.
I have literally. I practically lived there.
It's with the Too-Late members only.
Yeah. So
I couldn't join because
she couldn't join.
I was out of station.
It was just before Corona happened. Actually, it had happened, but हम तो भी ढीठ है. So, yeah.
All around the world, but not hitting Calcutta as of then. So they were enjoying.
Oh yeah. Okay. Never have I ever sent a text I regretted. She does that. She regrets a lot. I don't that much.
Because you are the most sensible one.
I
And,
know.
Actually, legit, I have to take advices from her. Saloni, I should do this or not. She's my mentor, I would say. I'm very bad at things.
सीख जाओगी बेटा, कोई नहीं. Okay. Never have I ever given or received a lap dance. Come on, beta, Pio. Cheers.
When did you?
Always. I have, and I have also received, and
I haven't received, I have given to one of the Too-Late members.
Oh! Holy shit. Oh no! Rocky, if you're watching this.
Why are you embarrassing him?
Kyunki it was she was the receiving end. Rocky was the receiving end. Oh shit.
Let's just surpass this.
Okay. Never have I ever danced on a cringy Bollywood song.
Oh my god, Saloni!
Yes.
She has been my dance partner for those songs.
We literally danced on every song. Cringe songs basically.
Be it Chikni Chameli,
Yeah.
be it
we
whatever.
don't need drinks to, get us do that.
We are like that.
Yeah.
We enjoy that.
Yo.
If she's too shy on camera, it's her first time. So ignore. But she's doing really well. I'm proud of you. It took me, it was a pain in my ass to get her to this video.
Yeah, but then she's always wanted to do this.
Yeah, for the longest time.
Like,
Actually,
since I know her, since 3 years, I know her, and then this is one thing that she was absolutely sure of. But
it
then,
was in my wish list.
Yeah.
I'm like, YouTube ho gaya, ek tick ho gaya. Now bringing Too-Late to my YouTube fam, introducing them to my YouTube fam.
Like,
So one member tick. I'll bring each and every member once we are all together.
Yeah.
I have lots of plan in store. So yeah,
I'm waiting for it.
I'm excited.
Okay, next. Never have I ever fallen for the wrong guy. Drink it. Please drink mine too. No, I have not.
I thought you were gonna drink with me.
No.
I'll mute that part.
No, it was not a wrong decision. Fast is a fast. Okay. So she should drink the whole bottle, and my glass too, because your choice in men sucks big time, and it's been a hell of a journey to reach here to making this video.
Yeah, it's been a journey for me for the past 6 months. It was a roller coaster ride sort of a thing for me, and I have enjoyed every bit of that. Every bit. She's the one who has been mentoring since then, and
Sometimes I feel like giving up because. But you gotta do
legit.
what you gotta do.
2 days back she told, I'm giving up on you. I'm like, dude, please don't do that, because I cannot imagine myself anywhere without her. No, I seriously
I
cannot.
can't take Tarif, but but then her choices in men suck, and
It's okay.
you're never doing it alone, bro.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Too-Late members, you people don't suck, just in case, men.
Oh God. Never have I ever had a parents' call in college.
Uh,
Every semester. 6 semesters, 6 calls, proud of it, love it.
Both of us, we are not those naughty kind of children.
It just happens to us.
Yeah, I don't know how, but we every time make it to the list and it's only just us. I don't know how, but it's just us.
And there is no reason, like कुछ भी कहीं से भी call. इतना तो चलता है यार. You might call parents for this. Okay, so last question.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Never.
But I can see that question.
If not. Never have I ever overeaten at McDonald's.
Guys, wait.
If you know her, you know she's a McD lover and I don't like McD.
Seriously, if you know me, you know what a great McD fan I am.
I don't like McD at all. ऊपर से I have stopped liking it even more since college because they are literally practically there every other day and I'm just sick and tired of eating McD ka aloo tikki and they don't even have peri peri fries anymore, so I just don't like it. But she loves it and she can literally eat McD 24/7.
I, Lakshay, Vedika, Nyang. Nyang is more of a KFC person also,
No,
but
I mean, she loves McD too.
yeah, we can consider
McD,
her.
Vedika, Nyang, Lakshan, Smiti are a McD gang. They literally live there.
We almost had our lunch at college every day practically at McD. That was our lunch destination.
I would just sit and watch them eat like animals.
We used to go together, all of us, and they used to legit sit, enjoy the cold drink, and nothing to do for them.
No.
Feel sorry.
I hate it. I can never love it.
So yeah guys, this was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this funny, exciting challenge of ours, and I loved Saloni being in this video with me today.
Had to be.
Always bragging about herself as usual because she is the sassy bitch of our group. So yeah, I love you a lot, bro. I seriously love her and every other Too Lit member. So
Get ready for more fun challenges.
We're gonna shoot it real soon when all of us are together.
Yeah, when Too Lit is everybody's here.
So Too Lit, we are eagerly waiting for our reunion
and more vlogs.
Yeah. So until then, take care. Bye.